Hello friends, I'm Aniket and you're watching the Indian Fishkeeper channel. Today's video is indirectly related to our fishkeeping hobby or any other hobby for that matter. We will build this workbench for making our DIY projects. This bench will be helpful while building a fish tank or a sump. It's flat, sturdy and tall, so you can do your stuff while standing. In my last aquarium video, I have done the project on ground, bending my back most of the time. It is definitely not good health wise. Also, the surface you are working on may get damaged or spoiled by tools and silicone. So this table or workbench can be used to build your DIY projects without worrying of these factors. So things you will need to make this table are wood to make the skeleton of the bench. I am using 3 by 1 inch softwood. This wood come in different sizes, so choose accordingly. Measuring tape, hammer, drill machine, drill bits, screw and screwdriver bit. Screwdriver bit helps you easily screw using drill machine. I have used jigsaw to cut the wood in dimensions. If you don't have a jigsaw or any type of saw, then request the wood shop to cut the wood for you. Give them the dimension and they will cut it accordingly. Wear eye protection and gas mask while doing this project. It will help you against the sawdust. You will also need wood glue. The one I am using is Abro Zoro Bond WP. Use a glue bottle if you have, else do the small DIY glue bottle. Take a plastic water bottle, drill a hole on the cap, pour the glue in the bottle. Cover the hole with tape after using. Now let's start the jigsaw and cut the wood. First we need to make the top rectangle. This will be 4 by 2 feet table, so I'll need 2 pieces 4 feet long and 2 pieces 2 feet long. Measure and mark the wood according to the dimensions. Apply glue wherever you are joining 2 wood pieces. You can also use nails to temporarily hold the frame and help you to hold it on place. Now drill the pieces together. I have used a 12 mm ply on the top of the table. First apply glue to the frame, then place the ply on the frame. Drill screws uniformly on the border of the frame. Make sure that the screw penetrates the below lying frame. Now our frame is completed. It's time to make legs. Cut the wood as per the height required. This table height is 2.5 feet. Apply glue to the joint and drill them into the frame. Now drill support bars on the side bottom of the legs. Also add support bar in the middle bottom of the table. This bar should fit snugly. This will give extra strength to the table. As I was unable to drill this piece, I used 2 pieces of wood to join it to the table. So now the table is ready to use. It looks sturdy, leveled and good. To make it more aesthetically pleasing, sand it and then apply wood polish to it. First sand using 120 grade sandpaper and then 220. From leftover wood, I have made these side pockets to keep project stuff like screws and hammers. Hope this video helps you. Do give it a like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe the Indian Fishkeeper channel for more. Happy fish keeping.